guys, so got the car down here, and there's a video of it idling if you haven't heard it yet. This thing sounds awesome. Alright guys, so just going to do a quick video here on the car. I got it back from getting the motor work done, and here's a view of the engine now. I got the carbon R intake, the Kooks headers, Venturi, twin cold air intake, and I got some new wheels that I'm going to put on it, and we're just going to do a quick video of putting those wheels on, and then we'll go get some videos of the wheels on the car. I don't really have a lot of time to do like a full install and all that, but just going to do a quick video here, just kind of show you the wheels I got, and we'll go ahead and do it old school way here. Jack, we'll go ahead and take these old wheels off, throw the new ones on, and we'll see what she looks like. Alright guys, so here is the new wheels that I got. It's the Rusch Wheels wheels. These are a two-piece wheel, and I got the gloss black outer lip, and the inside is flat black. And then I got these bolts here is chrome hardware, and the center cap's forged carbon. I do have some black bolts that I can put in here as well, just to change the look up a little bit, or if I wanted to, I could change, you know, put white in it or anything like that. There's a look at the Rusch Wheels wheels. Go ahead and put the front on here, and then work our way around. Alright guys, so change the lug nuts out to black. It looks a lot better. Go ahead and put the back wheel on. Alright guys, so here is a first view of this side. The wheels look really good on it. I really like how in the back here especially, they kind of have deeper concave look to them. But I got this side on, and I'll go ahead and put the other side on real quick, then we'll go get some better shots of it. Alright guys, got all four tires and wheels on, but to give you a close-up view of these wheels here, like I said, they are a two-piece wheel. I love how, I don't know if you can tell this in the video, but this part right here, it goes all the way up to the wheel, but it don't touch, so it's got a little gap here. It kind of looks cool. It has like a little air gap here. Man, it looks a lot better with the black lug nuts. The center caps, it has these forged carbon center caps right now with the white logo. I did customize those. It also comes with Corvette logos, which are black, so I could change out those. Also, I had thoughts on buying the floating center cap adapter for these, so they would be floating all the time, so I think that would be pretty cool. But overall guys, I think the wheel looks awesome on the car. We'll go down and we'll get some more footage of it, some pictures and things. I just wanted to shoot a quick video for you guys to give you an update on the car. If you haven't heard it yet, you will in this video, let you listen to it. And like I said, we've done quite a bit of work to the engine, bigger throttle body, the carbon R intake, the headers, catless mid pipes, the Venturi, cold air intake here, which looks super sweet. You can see my titanium exhaust through the intake cover. Also have a video on the titanium exhaust if you're curious on that, but we'll go look at the wheels, get a better overview of those. All right, guys, so got the car down here, and there's a video of it idling if you haven't heard it yet. This thing sounds awesome. The wheels look really good. Here's kind of an overview of the car with the wheels on now. I think the wheels really set it off, and I'm glad I went and got the black lug nuts because they look so much better, and I do like the silver bolts. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Silver bolts or black bolts? But I love how they look, really, and just wanted to give you guys a quick update of the car. Got these wheels put on, and guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I'll be adding, I got side skirts coming for it. I'm gonna add a front lip. I'm thinking about doing the ZR1 hood. So a bunch more accessories and updates things coming to the car, so make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.